Hey, smart buyers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, your ultimate guide to making smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we've got a showdown between two pocket-sized powerhouses, the Apple iPhone 12 mini and the Samsung Galaxy S22. Buckle up, because this comparison is going to be as exciting as finding a $20 bill in your old jeans. Let's dive right in. On the left, we have the iPhone 12 mini, coming in at a cool $320. And on the right, the Galaxy S22, priced slightly higher at $379. So, if you're planning to save some cash for your next avocado toast, the iPhone 12 mini might just be your new best friend. But hey, $59 more for the Galaxy S22, and you might just be able to impress your friends with some extra features. Choices. The iPhone 12 mini sports a 5.4-inch Super Retina XDR display. It's like a tiny Picasso in your pocket. But the Galaxy S22, with its 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display, says, "Hold my beer." With 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+, and Corning Gorilla Glass, it's like having a mini IMAX theater in your hand. So for those who binge-watch Netflix on their phones, the Galaxy S22 is the Michael Bay of displays, explosive and over-the-top. The iPhone 12 mini's camera is like that friend who always looks good in selfies, no matter the lighting. But the Galaxy S22 brings a 50 megapixels camera to the party. It's like bringing a bazooka to a paintball match. With LED flash and 1080p recording, your Instagram game is about to level up. Sorry, iPhone 12 mini, but in this category, the Galaxy S22 is like the paparazzi of smartphones. The iPhone 12 mini is tested for battery health and guaranteed to have a minimum battery capacity of 80%. That's like buying a used car with the promise it can at least get you to the grocery store and back. The Galaxy S22, though, comes with a beefier battery. It's like getting a car with a turbo engine. More room for your buck. So if you're a heavy user, the S22 might just keep you going until your next coffee break. The iPhone 12 mini is unlocked and compatible with pretty much any carrier you can think of. It's like the Switzerland of smartphones, neutral and friendly with everyone. The Galaxy S22, however, is like James Bond with its Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB Type-C 3.2. It's got all the gadgets and gizmos to keep you connected faster than you can say, Wi-Fi hotspot. Reviewers generally appreciate the iPhone 12 mini for its compact size, good condition upon arrival, and satisfactory performance, despite some issues with battery life and occasional screen dimming. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S22 is praised for its sleek design, advanced camera capabilities, and robust performance, though some users reported minor cosmetic blemishes and connectivity issues. So there you have it, smart buyers. The iPhone 12 mini is like that reliable, stylish friend who never lets you down, while the Galaxy S22 is the adventurous buddy who's always up for something new and exciting. Both are fantastic, but it all comes down to what you value more in a smartphone. Leave a comment below and let us know which one you'd pick and why. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more fun and informative product comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping. And remember, when in doubt, just buy smart. See you next time. Product links are in the description.